Alright, here again, Star Bunny 101, and this time I'm opening a Samsung curved monitor, 27-inch, and here we go. Alright. Okay, alright. Lay it flat. Okay. Oh my gosh. So much styrofoam. Wait, I think I can. Hopefully. Alright. Okay, and this monitor is actually connected to this. Okay. Oh no, it's struggling. Alright. I got it now. Alright. There. Oh! Oh! Okay. Lean it before I break it. Okay. Let's see next. So besides that, we'll check what we have. Okay, so we have the. This is power. Let's see, some more power plugs. This is the HDMI cord. Oh, we have a metal stand. Okay, wow, huge. All right, and then this is ASCII standby. Huh? You see that? What? Okay, what are these names? Okay, so let's start with the instruction booklet. Okay, let's turn it a little bit more this way. Alright. Instruction booklet, contact Samsung. Okay, good. Okay, I only need to contact them if it's emergency. Oh. It's not a booklet. Wow, okay. Talking about iSaver mode, regulatory compliance statements, like probably FCC, and this is what? Samsung computer display monitor, limited warranty, 1 year parts, labor, carrying, shipping, okay, good. Exclusion and warranty. Okay. Attaching the stand. Right there, checking components. Okay, boom. Why does this have to be so confusing? Okay. Okay, I guess it's this one. Okay, attaching the stand. Okay, so move this right here. Alright, let's take this out too. Where's the box cutter? I don't want to damage anything. Okay, so it's concluded. This is HDMI cord. Good. Check. This is our power source. Good. Now, take this, open this. I don't know why they kind of packaged it weird, but I'm okay. As long as the final product is fine. Okay, so we just pull it out, right? Alright. Oh, we unwrap it. Okay. Then we need to unwrap this side too. shiny black, matte black. I like matte black. Okay. Then this one. From this, get a scan. Yeah, I think it's very well packaged. Okay, open that. Open that. Oh, okay. So this is a like full stand, I guess. This is like. Does this hook up together? Huh? Like you would screw this in. I see. And then this part. I guess we can try to take this thing out. Okay. Move all the cords. No, this. Let's move this a little bit up right here. Okay. So slowly, carefully. Don't want to damage it like what? Okay. Out. Okay. Stands. Ooh. Even the styrofoam is curved. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay. Alright. The best way to do this one is let's hold it like this. And then slowly peel it out. Wow. If I had short hands, I wouldn't be able to open this. Okay, open it. Oh, wow. So nice, so nice. Okay. Okay, you guys want to see it? Look. Wow, so nice. It's so nice. Look at that. Wow, it's curved, everything. Okay. All right. Let me pause. I need to go get a screwdriver. All right, now I'm here with the screwdriver. Okay, we'll peel that off later. Gonna like turn this around. Okay. I think I can lay it flat because it's only gonna be sitting at its edges. Okay. So then this part we can take off now. Alright. This is where you can do the stand. It's like that. Oh, so it's like this. You plug it like this. And then you do this right here. Okay, okay, that makes sense. Okay. So in order, we need to do it like this. And then we screw this in. Oh wait, you guys didn't see that. Okay, so it just like unclips like this. And now you can clip it in like that. I thought it was gonna be this way, but no, it's this way. So now you do that. Then you see that the part you need a screwdriver right there. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, make sure it's tight. Okay. All right. I think that's tight enough. Okay. Now we can try. Wait, actually, there's no screw for this to this, so we're finished after we just do that. Wow! And just look at the back. Got the power button right there. Wow. See whatever this is. What does it say? DPN. This is HDMI. This is headphones. I don't know why your headphones are in the back. This is power, I think. Yeah. And then you see this is the if you wanna stand it on the wall, connect it to the wall. All right, let's try now to stand it up. Okay. Okay. Now we do this. Okay, now go in, please. Wait. Oh, hey. Huh? Wait. Wait, give me a moment. Oh, is it stuck? Oh, there's nothing in here. Okay, it should be able to go. Okay, it clicks. Alright, that there is now your unboxing. Look how big the screen is. Huge 27-inch curved. See the curves if I look at it from the top. It's curved, you see that curve? Okay. That is the unboxing of my monitor. Now, and now, I won't show it in the video, but I'll just turn it on and I'll show you the final part. Okay, now I'm about to turn it on. Alright, and I connected to the Mac, so. Wow. Nice. Nice. Wait. Oh, I think it's a separate screen. I don't think it shows my screen. Wait. Yeah, okay. So, wait, I can drag my slide, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh my gosh. Humongous. This is my lol chess. We'll X out of my biochemistry class. I'm not sure what. Okay. This is TFT lol chess. Okay. So this is pretty much it. Okay. Oh wow. And that is for my unboxing video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.